Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. On this particular video, I want to share with you what I experienced personally, and I really wish that a lot of YouTubers are going to come across this video so as to learn from it. Mind you, this is basically for those that have monetized, okay? But if you haven't monetized yet or you aren't monetized yet, that's not a problem. You should learn from my mistakes, right? So I have different channels. I have if you've been following my video, I have a channel of over 40,000 subscribers. I have another of over 9,000 subscribers and so on, right? So on one of this video, I am on one of these channels. I am already monetized, okay, and I have been earning consistently from it right from the moment I got monetized, right? I get to meet my payment threshold every month. I get to receive my payment at the end of every month towards 26th, 27th, right? The payment usually starts from the 21st down to the 27th if I am not mistaken. So guys, this continued for a while. Then there was a period that I actually fell sick. I felt ill, so I couldn't keep up with my consistent posting. I couldn't keep up with the activities that usually goes on in that channel. So the algorithm probably, or yes, literally picked that and maybe thought, because mind you, I usually take the algorithm to be more like a human being. That's how I work, right? So it's just like you going to work every day, then for 1 week you stopped going to work, and the HR or your boss, depending on your environment, then now notice that this person doesn't come to work as he or she usually does. What's going on? And some might be kind enough to call and find out what's going on. Why some wouldn't do that? They will just strike you off completely, right? They might cut off your salary or just prepare your what's it called now, to just prepare a letter for you, and that's it, like they're dismissing you. Okay, so that's how I see YouTube algorithm to be. Okay, so it's just as though the algorithm now noticed that this particular person isn't working anymore as she used to. What's going on? Then the algorithm dropped it. Mind you, we have YouTube has over how many millions of channels. That's why you get to see channels are being taken down, if not daily. Okay, there's a period you see different channels being taken down because of either spam, of copyright strike, of people reporting the channels. But there's always a channel that is always taken down.